It's time I get what I deserve. Act like you don't know what I'm worth. We spend a lot of time talking, but it feels like I'm never heard. Listen to what comes out my mouth before you try to take me out. You ought to know what I'm about. Treat me like a lady. This ain't up for debating. Boy, stop playing, boy, it goes a different route. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where girls be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no, no, no. Welcome to the puppet show, where we play them like they plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything, anything. When you got them hanging by a string, by a string. Gonna play it like the toys. We'll make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything when you got them by a string. Don't like the look of this picture. Boy, you think that I'm in love with you? Cry me a river, thought you was lit to leave the true action. I'ma do it my way, ain't apologetic. I'ma cut you off like Babalisha with it. I'm a controller, play like Atari. It ain't game over till I say so. Got it. Automatic when I want for it to please me. Might just make you do the things I want you to. Playing puppet master, everything's so easy. I'll make all of my own dreams come true. Ooh. Imagine a world where we could play different roles, where we be taking control. Wrapping our fingers, they couldn't tell us no, no, no. Welcome to the puppet show, where we play them like they're plastic dolls. Like they're plastic dolls. They'll do anything, anything, anything. When you got them hanging by a string, by a string. Gonna play it like they're toys, like the toys. Make them do what we enjoy. They'll do anything, anything. When you got them by a string, by a string, yeah. Follow my lead. Just leave a whole thing up to me. My expertise, yeah, yeah.